Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video we will talk about that how to add a text watermark to your PDF document using jsPDF library. So we have this application, we have a button right here. If I click this button, a PDF file will get downloaded and you will actually see this nice little watermark being added to this page here. It can have multiple pages as well. So you can add these watermark to all the pages using a simple for loop. So I will show you how to add this watermark. It's in a gray color and rotate it at a 45-degree angle so that it is showing it in a nice little manner. So all the source code will be present in the description of this video. So let's get started. So now to get started, we just need to initialize a basic HTML document and just write here JSPDF watermark example. And for doing this, we just do need to include the CDN. For CDN actually allows us to use this library in the browser directly. So we are using CDN from cloudflare.com/ajax/libs JSPDF 1.5.3 version. So this is actually the version that we are using. So after this, we can have a simple button which will simply say to us that generate PDF. We will bind a on-click listener to it. So when we click this button, this function will execute, which is generate PDF. So now we just need to define this function, generate PDF. So inside this, we will instantiate a new instance of JSPDF constructor. This lets us use this library in the browser. So now we need to set some properties about the watermark, such as the text color and the rotation angle. So you'll first of all set whatever watermark text that you want to set. I will set, let's suppose, freemediatools.com. This is my channel name. And then we set the watermark uh, font size. Let me set it to 50. Then we basically need to get the page dimensions to actually set the watermark. So first of all, for calculating the width of the PDF document, we have this function inside JSPDF, which is doc.internal dot page size dot get width. This function will return the width of the page, and similarly we will calculate the height of the page by using dot.internal dot page size dot get height. This will return the height of the page. In these two variables, we are storing the width and the height of the page, and then we need to set some text properties such as the color of the text watermark. So we need to first of all set the font size. Let me set this to the watermark font size variable. And for setting the text color, we will use this function set text color. And for light gray color, we would need to give RGB value 200, 200, 200. So this is actually a light gray color for watermark. Then we need to basically rotate this text. For adding the text, we use the text method inside JSPDF. We pass the text variable as first argument, and then we calculate page width divided by 2. This is the x coordinate, and for y coordinate we divide by 2. And for rotating this, we provide an object right here. Alignment must be at the center, and the second argument is the angle we need to rotate. So we need to rotate this as a 45-degree angle for the watermark to appear. So this is actually the thing right here. And lastly, we need to save this document. So we'll simply use the save function, and we can give it a file name watermark.pdf. This is the overall application, guys. Now let me run this application. Click this button. You will actually see, let me see, it is saying JSPDF is not defined. Let me check. I think we have given typo mistake. HTTPS cdnjs.cloudflare.com/ajax/libs JSPDF. every time I make some typo mistake guys in writing the CDN. So if you do this now, hopefully there will not be a error. You will see that as I click this button, so now basically the watermark has been added. So you can have multiple pages as well. So let's suppose after this you add a new page using add page method. This will add a blank page. So once again, if you see now it will contain two pages. This is the watermark page. This is actually the second page. If you want to add this watermark, you can simply again add this, call this doc.text, and now you will actually see the watermark will get added to both the pages at the same location. So in this way, you can add watermark to your PDF document using jsPDF library. It's really simple. You can adjust all these properties, your watermark text, the font size, if you want to increase it. Generally watermarks, you can see that. So in this way, you can add these watermarks. You can adjust the rotation angle. You can align it at a different position, left position. So the link is given guys in the description. You can see that how it is actually shaping out. So thank you very much for watching it. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and I will be seeing you in the next one.